Hello, welcome to Hidden Tech Universe channel. Today we will talk about one of the largest tunnels in the world. The Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is considered one of Europe's most ambitious and massive infrastructure projects. This enormous underwater tunnel is being built beneath the Baltic Sea to connect Denmark and Germany directly. Once completed, the tunnel will stretch approximately 18 kilometers, making it the world's longest immersed tunnel. The project is expected to transform transportation between Northern Europe and Central Europe, while significantly improving trade, travel, and economic connections. For many years, transportation between Denmark's Lolland Island and Germany's Fehmarn Island mainly depended on large ferry services. Cars, trucks, and even trains had to wait for ferries to cross the sea. This process was slow and often affected by bad weather conditions. To solve these challenges permanently, Denmark and Germany decided to build a modern fixed connection beneath the sea. Unlike many famous tunnels around the world that are created using deep drilling methods, the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is being constructed using the immersed tunnel technique. In this method, gigantic concrete tunnel sections are first built on land and then transported into the sea. Each section weighs tens of thousands of tons and is almost as large as a multi-story building. After transportation, the sections are carefully lowered into a trench on the seabed and connected together to form the complete tunnel. To support construction, one of the world's largest tunnel element factories was built along the Danish coast. Hundreds of engineers, technicians, and workers operate there around the clock, producing the massive concrete sections with extreme precision. The tunnel is designed with separate lanes for road traffic and railway lines, allowing cars, trucks, passenger trains, and freight trains to travel through it at the same time. One of the main goals of the project is to dramatically reduce travel time between Scandinavia and mainland Europe. Currently, crossing the Fehmarn Belt by ferry takes about 45 minutes. Once the tunnel opens, the journey by car is expected to take only around 10 minutes, while train passengers will cross in approximately 7 minutes. This major improvement will make transportation faster, more reliable, and more efficient. The Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is also part of an important European transportation corridor linking Northern Europe with Germany and the rest of the continent. The tunnel will shorten freight routes and improve supply chains across Europe while reducing reliance on ferry transport. However, building such a giant project has not been easy. Environmental concerns became one of the biggest challenges during the planning phase. Environmental organizations warned that dredging the seabed and placing enormous tunnel sections could affect marine life and the Baltic Sea ecosystem. Because of this, extensive environmental studies and protection plans were required before construction could continue. During construction, millions of cubic meters of soil and rock are being removed from the seabed. Specialized ships and advanced machinery operate day and night to complete the work. Modern monitoring systems are also being used to track water quality and environmental conditions throughout the project. The cost of the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is enormous, reaching several billion dollars. Most of the funding has been provided by the Danish government. Officials expect that future tolls and transportation revenues will gradually recover the project's costs over time. From an engineering perspective, the tunnel is considered a masterpiece of modern construction. It is designed to withstand water pressure, temperature changes, and even possible seismic activity. Inside the tunnel, advanced ventilation systems, emergency exits, lighting systems, and fire protection technology will ensure maximum safety for passengers and vehicles. The project has also created thousands of jobs during construction and boosted local economies in both Denmark and Germany. Construction companies, transportation firms, and material suppliers have all benefited from the project. After completion, experts expect increased investment and economic growth in nearby regions. The Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is more than just a transportation project. It is also a symbol of European cooperation. Denmark and Germany spent years working together to plan the tunnel, secure financing, and solve legal and environmental issues. Their partnership demonstrates how major infrastructure projects can strengthen international cooperation. In the future, once the tunnel officially opens, Europe's transportation network will enter a new era. Travelers will move faster between countries, businesses will transport goods more efficiently, and dependence on slower ferry systems will decrease. Many experts believe the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel could become as important to Europe as the Channel Tunnel connecting the United Kingdom and France. Today, construction continues at full speed, with new tunnel sections being completed one after another. When the final section is installed beneath the Baltic Sea, the world will witness the completion of one of the most remarkable engineering achievements of the modern era, a tunnel that will not only connect two countries, but also reshape the future of European transportation and trade.